Welcome WBP Stars, thanks for visiting us, and I'm Guido Braeken, chef from Restaurant Create, and I'm here with Brian, the guy from the gold section. So we're gonna start with our akami Balfegó tuna. First we start with the tartare. We cut the akami in small pieces and with some chives. Marinate cucumber. And a vinaigrette made of ponzu and passion fruit. A gel made of sambai, some salt, citrus. Okay, then we do put the tartare on we make a shaboos of passion fruit. On top we doing the tartare. Then we got some slices of the akami. Some salt on it. A little bit of white pepper. We're gonna make a bombe of the akami. We got some radish, daikon. On top we put glaze of ponzu and passion fruit. And some citrus. Put the tuna in the middle of the plate. Then we start prepping the eel. The eel we put them on the barbecue. With we glaze them with unagi. We have some oyster leaves. A cream of sambai. On top is coming some radish. And some basil flowers. We put the eel and the crème of ponzu around the akami tuna. A few dots of the sambai gel. Put some dill on it. On the last piece of the eel we put some furikake with some crisp of potato. So and then we going to finish the dish with vinaigrette, mix of ponzu and passion fruit. Last thing on the plate is oil, a smoking oil from the Vincent WBP stars. Enjoy. Thank you.